What's up, YouTube? Peterson Cards back at it again with another rip video. The votes are in. Thank you for those who voted on the poll. Today is a blender rip. We've got 20, 25 Bowman baseball. And as voted by you, the winner is Pokemon Journey Together. The winner. So we're going to rip both of these. Nice little blender ripper. Before we get to it, thank you for everyone that subscribed so far. I'm at 78. That's amazing. Thank you. If you're new to the channel, we post daily videos. Hit that like button if you like what you see. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. You can see anytime we post any content. Follow me on Instagram. You can get a recap of the hits. And stay tuned, because I am calling you out again. M Collector's Corner, Box War, Saturday. Bowman baseball. What you got? Hit me back. Let's get it done. Let's rip it. To the victor, go to the spoils. Box War Part 2. Let's get into it. Let's get it. Let's rip it. I'm going to start off with Bowman baseball. The first place to find the newest crop of MLB stars in their first card in their new jerseys, their new homes. This is a great set. One of the most anticipated sets that is released. 100 base cards, 150 Bowman prospects in both paper and chrome, retail exclusive green, along with rainbow and other colored parallels. Keep an eye out for retail exclusive paper prospect autographs, as well as chrome prospect and chrome rookie autographs. Collect the coveted first Bowman of cards top prospects of Charlie Condon, J.J. Weatherholt, which we pulled yesterday, P.J. Merlando, Jesus Madej, and more. Let's get it. 72 cards per box, 12 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. All right, pack 1. Love this set. We're also looking for red rookie emblems. That is new this year. And that's a biggie. We got Kristen Yelich, Brian Reynolds, Logan Gilbert, Jacob deGrom. You were our favorite son. We miss you. Good luck, Jake. Unless you pitch against the Mets. Jose Perdomo. Englith Urena. Bowman first paper. We've got an Arun Escobar. Bowman first paper. Tink Heinz on the chrome. There we go. J.J. Weatherholt, Bowman first chrome. Just talked about him. We're going to get that sleeved up. Kevin Alcantara, rookie. Ronald Acuna, my legs hurt junior. Jacob Wilson. You know, it's just a shame with Ronald Acuna. If that boy can stay healthy, my Lord. But you know what? As long as he's still a Brave, it doesn't matter. Let's go, Mets. If you get traded to the Mets, Mr. Acuna, to play with your brother, I will root for you, but until then, you're a bum. Pack 2. C.J. Abrams, one of the big uns from the last year, I should say. River Ryan, rookie. Yoshinobu Yamamoto, he was the big chase previous year. We've got Travis Bazana, greatness loading. I don't believe it's numbered. Nope. Cam Caminetti. The cousin of former MLB player Ken Caminetti. Nice. Eduardo Quintero, Bowman first paper. Leo Tavares. Esmith Pineda, Bowman first chrome. And we've got a reptilian of Victor Rodriguez, Bowman first chrome. It's a nice card. We'll go ahead and get that sleeved up. David Festa, Trey Turner, and Jung Ho Lee. That's our second reptilian insert. Seems like they're falling a lot easier this year's set. Double check I didn't miss any red rookies, God forbid. I know they're difficult, but you know what? Probably easy to overlook. All right, next pack up. Ezequiel Tovar, Jackson Holiday, part of that Baltimore Orioles young crew. Don't know what's going on with them right now. They are not playing good baseball. That's the bad news. The good news is, it's only May. It's a long season, folks. The Meteor, Mike Trout, Jersey boy. We've got Rockstar rookies, Thomas Siggy, not numbered. Corey Lewis, a Bowman first paper.